Hello to all friends, travelers, welcome to this new video, where we will take you to discover one of the most enchanting corners of Liguria, Levanto and the Five Terre. Prepare to be amazed by breathtaking landscapes, colorful villages and a crystal clear sea. Our trip begins in Levanto, a lively town that immediately won us over with its relaxed atmosphere and its seafront. On the first day, we decided to explore the surroundings in Moroslo, along the beautiful bicycle and pedestrian promenade that connects Levanto to Bonassola. An easy and flat route immersed in the Mediterranean scrub with unforgettable panoramic views. Even if the climate does not invite you to bathe, the walk shows a wild and authentic charm. The second day was entirely dedicated to the Five Terre, a real jewel of Liguria. We chose to visit three of the five villages, Monterosso, Vernazza and Manarola. Monterosso welcomed us with its sandy beach and its lively old town. Vernazza, with its picturesque marina and colorful houses, made us fall in love at first sight. Finally, Manarola, with its houses perched on the cliff and terraced vineyards, gave us unique emotions and unforgettable experiences. Welcome to the Five Terre, an explosion of colors and vitality. Breathtaking images of picturesque villages, terraced vineyards, and a crystal clear sea that invites you to adventure. A breathtaking landscape characterized by terraces cultivated with vines, panoramic trails, and a pristine sea. A journey to discover centuries-old traditions and a wild and fascinating nature. Our stay at Agri-Camping Acquadolce di Levanto was a regenerating experience, a real dip in nature, a few steps from the sea. The campsite enjoys a strategic position, immersed in the green Ligurian hills, offers tranquility and relaxation. Despite being a short distance from the center of Levanto and the beaches, the structure is well maintained, with large shaded areas and well-defined pitches, although not all well leveled, ideal for tents, campers and caravans. The atmosphere is familiar and welcoming, with particular attention to environmental sustainability. The managers also produce excellent wine available for purchase at the reception with tastings on request, enhancing your stay. The toilets are clean and functional with hot showers and sinks. The campsite also has a laundry area, a bar restaurant with local products, and a barbecue area available to guests. The Wi-Fi is free and well-functioning throughout the structure. The location of Agri-Camping Acquadolce, open all year round, makes it an ideal starting point to explore the Five Terre and its surroundings. Levanto is a lively town with a beautiful seafront, shops and restaurants. Nearby are numerous hiking and mountain biking trails as well as beaches and dreamy coves. During the high season, it is advisable to book in advance. The road to reach the campsite is a bit narrow but easily passable. We highly recommend Agri-Camping Acquadolce to those looking for a holiday of relaxation, nature, and discovery of the territory. It is an ideal place for families, couples, and groups of friends who wish to spend an authentic and regenerating stay in Liguria.